What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Daily Misfire. Today's a fun thing. Probably arguably my least favorite thing, honestly, to work on square bodies is doors. But I'm going to show you a little bit on how to work on your crew cab, single cab, whatever suburban doors you have, and how to get window regulators swapped over, working on getting window felt and stuff in. I'm also working on vent windows. That's probably not going to be in this video, but if you want to see vent windows and stuff kind of being restored, I'm going to try to work on that too. I'm getting over being sick, so I got a wicked cough, which is awesome. But I'm going to show you kind of a quick overview on how the window regulators on these trucks work. The one I had on the driver's side failed miserably. So it's kind of one of those things of how to get into it and where to get, kind of how to get in there, swap it over, and try to see what all is in here. So let me break it down for you. I'll just kind of walk through. I've already gotten this window regulator swapped over. Like I said, I've already gotten this window regulator swapped over, but I'm going to show you what the window regulator looks like, how to get into this part of your door. That door is already completely blown apart, where it's still together. This one's completely blown apart, but you know, it's buttery smooth now. So basically, but let me show you. So vent windows, those are gonna be oh so fun. Not really. All right, so this is your window regulator. This is a manual crank one. Manual crank right there. This one is totally screwed up, and the main thing that was happening was the window was super hard to roll down. And you can see right here, you can see right there, the main window crank itself is out of the groove, and then when you try to roll it down, you can physically watch this. It's really jacked up watching it. But as you can see on this guy, it's super simple. There's 4 bolts right here that connect into it that mount it. This guy, or one of these guys, is on a roller track on the door itself, and the other 2, I think it's these 2. These 2 are on the window track, and then this one's on a door track, which I'll show you. So you need to make sure when you get this all together, there's this window track right here. Let me grab a flashlight. So you can see right there, there's that little window track right there. That guy is basically what keeps the window in the track. It keeps it from going up too high, going down too low, making sure the front of it doesn't dive in. You want to make sure you get that guy in first before you do any kind of mounting on the door. So before you try to get the window regulator or anything mounted, you want to make sure that's in. If you want, the easiest way to get the glass in is you get the window regulator in first, then you get the glass in. You can raise this up as high as you need to get into there. But you raise the regulator up as high as you possibly can. Then you can get the 2 rollers in on the bottom. They're pretty easy to get into. You can see the rollers down there. You get them into a little track, and then you can just walk the door. Basically, you can walk the window back into the door. It's pretty simple. The stupidest part about this whole thing is that you kind of have to bend the door to get everything out. So the easiest way to get all this out is you don't need to get the vent window out. You can, it makes it a lot easier. I was doing the vent window anyway. But there's these 3 screws right here. So there's one right here, one right there, and one right there. Those hold the vent window in. You can basically just pry the vent window out and it goes out that way. Then you can unbolt the window together with everything, and you can unbolt the regulator, pull the window out, get the window slid out, and then the window regulator itself has to come out, kind of walk it out this way. What I normally do when I'm trying to get in there is you get a wooden hammer or something like that, and you can just kind of rotate it lightly, kind of like that, and you'll get enough room to where you can bend the door a little bit and get in there and get that out. It's very aggressive, but you can get there. But that's the easy way of getting the window regulator in, out, replaced. It's just these 4 bolts right here, like I said. This guy comes out. You need to make sure you have a tool like this for your window crank. You got to make sure you can get all the screws out. There's a couple of screws that are right here. There's those 2 screws. Then there's some that are kind of like in the door to get these door panels off, which I can show you on the other one. But yeah, so main things you need to get out are window crank. There's 2 screws right here that hold this piece in right here. There's a screw under that, right like that. There's these guys. That one. And then there's these 2. You need to make sure you get those 2 as well. Then this guy snaps in, you pull that guy off, make sure you get this guy off. Then you can get these guys. Vent window comes out, it's super easy to get the vent window out. And then it's those 4 bolts on the window crank, window regulator. Window regulator can come out. Like I said, make sure you get the window itself actually like stabilized and out before you do much of anything, because that would really suck to drop the window. So window regulators, that's kind of how you do it. They're pretty simple. There's really not that much to really involved in them per se, aside from basically just the generic things like that. It should really, if you're only doing the window regulator, it shouldn't take more than a few minutes to actually get all that done. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully this helps anyone out there looking for window regulator information. It's very fun. I don't understand why Chevrolet decided to do windows like this on these square bodies, but they did. So if there's anything else like this, stop back in for the vent window restoration rebuild. I'm in the middle of that. It's a struggle fest, but we'll get it done. And I'll see you guys at that. Peace.